In this episode, let's dig into the simple steps of creating gaskets through the lathe machine. A wooden board, hexagonal chuck and fastener are what you need to create precise gaskets with the use of the lathe machine. Gaskets are very important in binding flanges to prevent leakages in metal binding due to corrosion. There are a number of gaskets available on board and industrial-grade types that should be used for different specific purposes. Did you know? There are different grades of gasket material available on board. From non-asbestos, which are made up of organic and non-organic fiber material, Teflon gaskets, which has excellent chemical resistance and non-sticking properties, up to steam line gaskets, which are composed of filler material excellent for corrosion and airtight qualities. All of which should be utilized for specific purpose to maximize service life. These gaskets can be classified further according to material, by function and application. Did you know? Gaskets were used as early as the 1800s from the fibers of old ropes. Those were made by untwisting the ropes to create the filler material. In 1844, Charles Goodyear developed rubber gaskets for his invention of vulcanized rubber and were also be made out of organic and synthetic material. And up to this day, gaskets has been vital part of industrial development when it comes to pipe flange connections, sealing surfaces and even creating pressure-proof systems. When everything is set on the lathe machine, check the dimensions for inside and outside diameters. Take note that adjusting the cross slide will take 5 mm for every one turn. Adjust until you reach the correct outside diameter prior arranging the tool bit for cutting. The precise cut and the correct measurement of dimension is key in creating custom-fitted gasket for all types of flange application. Also, only qualified personnel shall be allowed to operate the lathe machine. Safety considerations is top priority. If this video has been helpful, kindly follow, subscribe and share this content so we could continue creating more. This is Marine Engineering 101. Work smart, know better.